Hi, I'm Niki Jabbour, and one of the best ways to prevent common plant diseases in your garden is by growing resistant varieties. Plant breeders work hard to develop crops that offer resistance to common diseases like late blight, downy mildew, and powdery mildew. My strategy is to plant resistant varieties and pair that with good garden practices like crop rotation, proper spacing to allow good airflow, and soil mulching to reduce the occurrence of soil-borne diseases. A few years ago, late blight arrived in my garden, and most of my plants succumbed quickly. However, my Jasper tomato plants were still going strong, as this delicious cherry tomato offers high resistance to late blight. It's even resistant to early blight. Defiant is another standout tomato bred for earliness, flavor, and disease resistance. It's resistant to late blight, early blight, fusarium wilt, and verticillium wilt. It's a great choice for gardeners who want to grow tomatoes where disease pressure is high. Picolino is a productive cocktail cucumber that offers high resistance to scab and target spot, as well as intermediate resistance to cucumber mosaic virus, cucumber vein yellowing virus, and powdery mildew. Another common disease is downy mildew, which affects basil plants. Choosing a variety like Prospera DMR, which is resistant to downy mildew, is a good way to ensure you've got plenty of basil for pesto.